Wow! This is so nice!
Hi all! Today Sannidhi channel is back with another new interesting video. Today's video is about unboxing, but I'm not sure what we are going to unbox. But I also think that this is a gift from my aunt. Last week I visited her house and I had a good time. At one time I told her that I'm bored. I want to be entertained. So my guess is she sent me something to be entertained. So are you ready? So we will start unboxing right now. So obviously, as you can see, this has come in from Amazon. Let's do unboxing. The packing of this is very good. Now I'm sure that my aunt sent this package. So let's check out what is written in this card. Enjoy your gift from Suchitra Devi. Thank you very much, dear aunt, for this nice gift. I hope I will find to entertain myself for a long time. Wow, this is really amazing, dear aunt. This is a nice science kit and an amazing science kit. I hope I will enjoy it. As you can read it out, it is a ultimate science kit. And as you can read it out here, that it is written Einstein box. So now let's unbox. So are you ready to see it full? So now let's open it. Wow! This is so nice. Whoa! What are these? These are very nice science experiments. This manual comes with the science kit and it has to be performed under adult supervision. So you have experiments and advanced experiments. You have an experiment, explosive science, color and crystal science, soap science, material science, glow in the dark science. And in advanced experiments, explosive science, color and crystal science, practical science, material science, water science. So these are all the experiments. For buying this, the link will be in the description. Hope you will like this science kit. Thank you.